Let's practice our vowel teams. OU says ow, like mouse. This is found in the middle of words. OW says ow, like cow. This is found at the end of words. OY says oi, like toy, found at the end of words. OI says oi, like oil. This is found at the beginning and the middle of words. EY says e, like key. This is found generally at the end of words. AW says all, like straw. OA says O, like soap. IE says E. EI says A, like veil. AU says aw, like faucet. IE says I, like pie. EA says E, like leaf. EW says ooh, like cashew. IGH says I, like light. OO has several different sounds. Sometimes OO says like hook. Sometimes OO says ooh, like tooth. EA says like thread. But it can say other sounds too. UE says U, like glue. AI says A, like rain. EA says A, like steak. EE says E, like sheep. EI says E, like receipt. AY says A, like hay. OR says or, like horse. AR says R, like star. The next three say the same sound, and you have to close your eyes and visualize that picture to try to figure out the correct use of the sound UR says like turtle. ER says like butter. IR says like bird.